Hi everyone, this is Tracy. Today we're going to talk about expectations. When we begin a relationship, we have expectations of what we want in a relationship, what we need in a relationship, and how a relationship should be. When we are with a narcissist, our expectations get lowered and lowered. And when we lose that hope that the expectations will be met, when they disappoint us, when they lie, when they cheat, when they lower the bar and we accept that bar being lowered, then we're the ones that are being hurt. We're the ones that are losing a part of us. With every expectation that isn't met, and is met maybe with disappointment or lies. Every time we have those expectations and they're lowered, we're lowering the quality of our own life. Because when a narcissist sees that you expect them to not cheat, but then they cheat and you forgive them and you move on, they're setting the place here, if you would, for the next time. They saw what they can get away with. Those expectations that they are setting for us are grooming us. We are being groomed to expect less. And when we expect less, we get less. And when we get less, they give us less. They keep lowering the bar until one day you're a really unhappy person because you don't know where your life went. You know what you started out wanting. You know what you needed in life. And yet we compromised. We settled. So I don't want you to settle, and I don't want you to feel that setting these expectations is unrealistic. You are entitled to set any expectations and the rules of your life. How you want someone to be in your life is how you expect them to be and how you should demand that they be. So stop letting people lower that bar. I'm totally guilty too. Totally lowered the bar way, way, way too many times. But now, as I know that this is a tactic that they're going to use, keep your eye on the ball. Where was the expectation? Did you compromise? Did you settle? Did it get lowered and lowered and lowered? Because if it did, then we've got to learn a little bit of boundary setting. Boundaries are so important. And if you've ever dealt with a narcissist, you probably learned that your boundaries, you might not have had good boundaries, or you might not have had any at all. Or worse than that, they were probably taken advantage of and your boundaries were trampled all over the place. So be really mindful and understand what boundaries are. I have a great course. It's a very short 4-video course on boundaries, and it's only $15. So if you're interested in learning how to set better boundaries, go ahead and take that class. It's a workshop, and it's online, and it's easy to follow along. There are rules and ways that we set our boundaries so that our expectations are not trampled on. This is Tracy. That's all I've got. Have a great day.